antecedent. Chaos precedes order. But it's sort of dualistic, because if it's antecedent, chaos precedes order, then it's paradoxical, because if chaos precedes order, and we're dealing with a form of energy cannot be created or destroyed. Energy in and of itself, the existence of energy is eternal and infinite. Then if chaos is the antecedent of order and chaos precedes order, then it's paradoxical and feasible to assert then order precedes chaos. They're contingent on each other. You cannot have order without chaos, and you cannot have chaos without order. So it's a paradoxical, dualistic symbiosis that's contingent on each other. We call this philosophical term infinite regress. I'm freaking killing it, boy. I'm killing it. I'm so feeling myself right now. I'm orgasming right now with intellectualism. I apologize. I'm just playing. So